Hello and welcome back to my channel Immigration and Visa News. And today we are diving into our December 2025 edition of the Visa Bulletin Predictions. We'll examine family-based and employment-based categories, look at trends from recent months, and offer our best estimate of how things might move. Let's get started. Before we jump into December predictions, a quick recap of what happened in recent months. 1. The November 2025 bulletin, issued by the US Department of State, showed some modest movement in family-based categories and very little or no movement in employment-based categories. 2. Analysts warn that heavy demand filings from October into early FY 2026 may constrain movements in December. 3. Key factors: visa number availability, country caps, backlog demand, and possible retrogression if number usage spikes. So with that in mind, let's look ahead to December. Predictions: family-based categories. Let's start with the family-based, FB, categories. Based on predictions by experts, here are likely movements for December 2025. F1, unmarried sons and daughters of US citizens. All other countries, +2 to -3 weeks. Mexico, +6 to -8 weeks. Philippines, +1 to -2 weeks. F2A, spouses and minor children of LPRs. All other countries, +3 to -4 weeks. F2B, unmarried adult children of LPRs. All other countries, +1 to -2 weeks. Mexico, +6 to -8 weeks. Philippines, +1 to -2 weeks. F3, married sons and daughters of US citizens. All other countries, +4 to -5 weeks. Philippines, +5 to -6 weeks. Mexico, +1 to -2 weeks. F4, brothers and sisters of US citizens. All other, +1 to -2 weeks. Mexico and India, +2 to -3 weeks. Philippines, +6 to -8 weeks. Key points. Movement is modest but positive in many FB categories. Mexico and Philippines may see slightly larger advances due to lesser backlog relative to demand in some cases. F4 remains slow-moving, expect caution there. Predictions: employment-based categories. Now, the employment-based, EB, categories, these are under much more pressure, especially for India and China. Here's what predictions suggest. EB1, priority workers. India and China, little or no movement. Other countries, likely remain current. EB2, advanced degree exceptional ability. India and China, little or no movement. Other countries, minimal movement, maybe +1 to -2 weeks at best. EB3, professionals and skilled workers. India and China, little or no movement. Other countries, maybe +1 to -2 weeks. EB4, special immigrants. Stable or very modest forward movement if unused numbers exist. EB5, investor visas. For unreserved segments, this may see some forward movement if earlier months had fewer filings, but for India and China, still cautious due to backlog and spillover rules. Warning: for EB to EB3 especially, heavy filings and high demand may force retrogression, dates moving backward, instead of movement. December may be a plateau month rather than a big jump. So what does this mean if you are waiting? Here are key takeaways. Check your priority date. If your date is earlier than the current cutoff, prepare your documents, medicals, etc. Be ready for modest advancement, especially in FB categories. Chances of moving ahead are real but incremental. Be cautious in EB categories. If you are in India, China and in EB to EB3, expect slow progress and consider backup strategies, example alternative categories, staying on non-immigrant status. Stay compliant for those already inside the US, keeping your status valid, documents up to date and avoiding violations is key. Watch for the official bulletin. When the December bulletin is released, act fast if your category becomes current. Interviews and filings often depend on seeing that chart. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Immigration and Visa News, and hit the bell icon so you are notified the moment the December 2025 Visa Bulletin drops. Drop a comment below with your preference category and country. I'll try to address it in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your immigration journey.